One clever little deck of square cards, 52 regular suited playing cards, and they're chess pieces too, and domino tiles, and checkers pieces, and lots more. The cards have clear simple markings on them for each game, without being too cluttered. Markings for playing cards, chess, dominoes, checkers, backgammon and dice, so they can be used for zillions of games. And you can turn the cards upside down to make a chessboard. Take this deck of square cards with you wherever you go, and you'll never be without a game to play. I've designed and made prototypes, tested them with lots of people, and now need your help to take the cards to production. This is my 4th Kickstarter, and it's been a lot of fun. If you want to be one of the first people in the world to get your very own game cards, now's your chance.